Frustrated with that pesky access denied message preventing you from tweaking your Nvidia settings? Let's troubleshoot this together, step by step, so you can take back control of your graphics. First, make sure you're logged in as an administrator. Sometimes, the simplest solution is often the best. If you are unsure, check your user profile settings in the Windows settings. Next, you might need to run the Nvidia control panel as an administrator. To do this, search for Nvidia control panel in your Windows search bar. Right-click on the control panel icon in the search results and select Run as administrator. This provides the permissions needed to save the changes when prompted. Click Yes. Now, go back to the control panel and try making the changes again. Navigate to the settings you're trying to adjust and hit Apply. Does it work? If not, restart your computer. Still no luck? If you're on a laptop, make sure your power settings are set to high performance. Some power saving modes limit the settings you can change. Another trick is to ensure your drivers are up to date. Head over to the Nvidia website, download the latest drivers for your graphics card, and install them. A driver reinstall may be necessary to reset all of the settings correctly. After installing the drivers, restart your PC. Hopefully, one of these steps will fix your access denied issue. Now, go forth and customize your graphics settings without the frustration. Don't forget to like and subscribe.